Yeah. We make it.
We're making that too.
What do you mean 2 more runs? If you're curious, by any chance, how to start your shingles, the way the manufacturer asks for, look on the back of your shingles and you'll see immediately that there's a pattern. After you put your starter course on, which is explained here at the bottom, drip edge, first starter, everything's here. Okay, you go down to this example. You put your first shingle on as one piece, don't cut it. Move over to the next one. If you notice, it will tell you 6.5 inches. That's what you cut off the next shingle before you put it on. So your next shingle, you just grab hold of it, cut 6.5 inches off the outside rake side, just like they're showing here, and then put your shingle down. You move over again. This one says 13 inches, so you cut a 13-inch tab off and you install that shingle. Go over to the next one. You're going to cut 19.5 inches off that shingle and lay it on top and start a new row, and then continue them steps over and over again. On this particular one, it says 32.5 inches. No, you just use the piece that you cut off of these shingles for here, okay, and you'll be in great shape. So all the shingles you cut off, that's what I like about these. There's really no waste in this architectural shingle, because you can just take that piece that they just cut off and add it down here, and then follow that pyramid up, and then that keeps your pyramid going. If you do not pyramid these shingles, what you'll end up with is 2 rows going up the roof, and you'll be able to actually see them. Or 3 steps. Some people 3-step it. This is basically made for 5 steps, and then you move on. And the nailing pattern is also shown in on the package, so that's easy to figure out where your nails go. And if you notice this particular one here, they're showing 6 nails, whereas this one is showing 4 nails. 6 nails is made for a steep roof or Mansford slope, I think they call it, or high wind areas. In high wind areas, they recommend 6 nails per shingle. The pieces he is using are the pieces he cut off.
Hands got a hole in it this morning.
A ball of sun up there.
put
Best-
them on freezing.
No, don't put them on frozen. The best place to get shingles would be a place that carried them inside, not a bunch of outside stock, in my opinion.
You ain't got many of them.
No.
With me.
Am I upside down? No.
Yeah, that's what it is. It goes with my finger. That's a finger don't want to work. I'm gonna put a band-aid.